Hi, my name is Simone Giostra. I'm Associate Professor at Pratt Institute in New York and at the Politecnico in Milan, where I lead a research group that works on the relationship between form and energy in architecture. Climate change is by far the largest challenge that we humans have ever faced. And although we architects claim to do something about it, reality is the use of energy and natural resources has been increasing exponentially, at least since the Industrial Revolution. Look, just in the past 20 years since the Kyoto Protocol, we've been producing more CO2 emissions than in the previous 20 years. So whatever it is that we're doing, it's obviously not working. Which brings us to the paradox of technology. We rely on energy-driven machines to resolve an energy crisis. Our species has been so incredibly successful precisely because we are able to extract so much more energy and materials from our environment than any other species on this planet. So now asking humans to save energy, that is a deep contradiction. For centuries, we've been so obsessed with the aesthetic implications of form. Think of the importance of ornament or style in architecture, and so less keen to look at the energy implications of it. So if on one end, a particular shape of a building might produce a certain emotion into humans, at the very same time, form is a protocol to organize matter and energy throughout the life cycle of a building, and truly the key to better performance. I think it's time to redefine the formal code and canons in architecture, and old knowledge is not going to help us doing that. So the work we do is to rewrite the code of engagement between form and energy in the built environment. Bucky once said, if you want to teach people to think in a new way, don't bother to teach them. Give them tools.
My name is Juan Sala.
I'm Mariela.
My name is Jacob Holman.
Hi, my name is Taravicchio.
My name is Giovanni.
I'm Erika.
I'm Giovanni.
I'm Jitu Sudhakaran.
Today I'm part of the digital team, so I deal with different topics on a daily basis, from automation scripting to augmented reality, data visualization, and computational design.
An important part of my job is to analyze data for research purposes and to relate the social, economic, or cultural context to the territory and to its dynamic features.
Simone was perhaps the first figure which I encountered in my education that showed me a glimpse of what from there on would be a constant and a recurrent quality of our discipline. The need to be precise, to be coherent, for clarity to resonate at all stages of a design process.
The design studio inspired me and helped me to develop my passion for performance-oriented design. Topics like sustainability, biomimicry, and resilience are still a fundamental part of my everyday job.
His variety of parametric design tools which he exposed the class to, as well as mapping software, was very useful and is still very much part of the design process which I follow today.
Simone was really helpful for me also to start a research on myself as a professional in order to understand where to go with my career and what to do with my career.
Times are changing and the current environmental conditions demand something more than intuitive thinking. The traditional methodology used by architects to rely on their intuition and experience to solve design problems needs an enhancing, and that's exactly what the studio is trying to do.
It has been quite a game changer for my experience as an architect.